That wasn't very nice, was it, Jersey? Huh? 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 What's going on, ladies? What's going on, Honcho? What's going on, bud? Huh? Morning, Jersey. What a beautiful morning. What a beautiful morning out here. We're going to be installing a pumping system into this cistern here that's collecting all the water off the roof. It's being discharged from the gutters into 2 collection tanks. So let's take a look here, see how the guys are making out.
That's not gonna work.
You got an end on it? You gotta have something to choke it. What do you got going on? Fill it up and choke it with your hand, and once you get it going, get the vacuum on it, you'll be good.
That's what
get a good
tried.
suction on it. You filled it?
Yeah.
Sometimes you gotta take a couple times, huh?
We filled the whole hose in the priming tank itself.
Gotcha. Beautiful day out, isn't it? Hey, Karina. The easiest way, if you do that, if you get enough in there going there already, it'll come backwards in there and fill that up, but you gotta get good suction on it. I always start them up and just had to put the hose in here and get it going, okay? Then that'll make it. That's only gonna last a second. Why don't you guys just make it easy and put a sump pump in there and pump it out and be done? Be a lot easier. You can be there forever with that thing. You get anywhere?
It's not gonna come through because it's already pulled the hose shut.
What are you waiting on, Karina? You gonna stand out there all day or what? Huh? Well, it's not gonna work. Yeah, drop that pump in there and be done with it. That thing is worthless. These pumps, until you get suction on them, I used to have one of these, and a little wonder, the Hedge Shear Company makes them, same engine, and you got to put a 10-foot hose on it, but you got to have a check valve on that thing. If not, you'll be here forever. Hey guys, if you're gluing up, don't get this wood all screwed up. This wood is very expensive, these panels. Hey, why don't you do all that over there, Jersey? Do all that in front of this loader over here on the wood, Rudy. Don't be any gluing over here, okay?
No, we don't use a glue right
Yeah,
now.
you're gonna make a mess. Yeah.
For the water, we had
Yeah.
to take it out.
All right. Life of a contractor. Never a dull moment, is it? Never a dull moment.
No.
Never, 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 never. How much water you got in that tank?
It's full.
About 2,200 gallons?
Yeah.
I'd say about 22. Is this your discharge coming out of the side of there now?
Yep.
Did you all put that in there or was that in there?
Oh, that pipe down there?
Yeah.
That was already there.
Rudy, is that plugged off there? That 4-inch?
Yeah,
Or 6-inch? Is that 4-inch or 6-inch?
This is 6-inch. It's too short. Cut it too short, this one. Casi igual se están. Saber qué
See, they didn't give you any shorter hoses?
No, there were no other hoses there.
No,
That fit that.
that's ridiculous.
With the thread.
Discharge is fine, but not for pickup.
Yeah. I wanted to try this one though instead of the regular sump pump because even at the pool we were having trouble getting a steady stream out.
Well, no, this would work, but you need a short hose. Rudy, we got anything else we can make up a short discharge for this? It would work. You can't have all that that suction head on it. You just need 10 foot right here, 8 foot, and be fine. You have anything else on the truck, Rudy?
No.
They're discharge hoses, not a suction hose. Suction hose, you have a bell end on it, you know, it goes down in it with holes in it. You're asking that thing to do fight gravity there. That's never going to work. I can't believe the guy at the store didn't know that.
You want that dumping out right there? Do we want that further
That's
out?
fine. That's fine. Yeah, that's some stagnant water there. See it?
Should have been here when we opened them up.
Well, that's all going to be a lot of leaves in there too, Rudy.
Punch in the face.
Rudy, that's going to be a lot of leaves. You can see the acid in there. It's leaves and stuff. It'll clean up though. So Rudy, we want to get this pumped out. Then you can go down and work in there. And then where are you going to come out? You want to come out this side over here? You want to come out the back side? What are you thinking?
Either one.
Well, how much room you got in here? How much you got room right below me here? So I'm standing over top of area you can work. Soil here, right?
Yeah.
It should be a nice cavity right here.
A little bit along that edge too.
Okay, so it might be easier to come down here. There's another door here, right?
Yeah.
I would come out here, Rudy. Come out here on the back side. Discharge. Let's discharge over here
Okay.
on the back side of this wall. There's a lot of water there, Miss Jersey, coming out. We'll get rid of all that water, then we can get down in there and set the pump. Center block. You guys get some cinder blocks, Root, from the shop? Set the pump in. I set two together, Rudy, like this, and set the pump in between them, or on top of them. Let's take a look and see what we got. Are you on the bottom there? All the way down? Or are you holding it?
No, we got it on the bottom.
You on the bottom?
Yeah.
Well, you can just let that go. Come on, let's over here and take a look. Let's see what we got on some block. Won't that stay all right? I'd use a couple of these big ones. Yeah, there you go. He got a big one. There's another one right here. Oh, you got them? Oh, okay. I thought you only had one. That vanishing edge?
Yeah.
It's beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah. You already see a lot. This same thing in the DC.
Where?
DC.
DC, yeah. That's where I'm heading next. Heading to DC for another job. I wanted to come down and see what you guys are doing. It's a shame that guy gave you two discharges hose instead of a suction hose. I think it's never going to work like that, not in a billion years. Well, you got to remember, it's been a couple years this house sat vacant, and that water was coming into there, you know. Got a lot of leaves in there, and that's what that acid's coming off there. See it?
Yeah, it's all orange, it's yellow.
Yep. That's good, though. We're going to be able to recycle this water in the future. That's really good.
And I think so this PVC is already made it up for discharge all the water, you see it? That's the
No, that's what I was asking you a minute ago, but who put that in there?
I don't know. I think so.
But is it plugged off, or there's no water coming out of it? Or was it
Yes, only we already put the piece inside in 90 and
or was it, oh, it was too high, okay.
cap it off.
You just need to cap it off. Well, I would leave that for emergency, just let it be.
Yeah, how high we already go, like right here, and this one?
Or right underneath of it.
Underneath to this one?
Or the side of it.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I would just leave that for somebody else. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's there, just leave it.
Okay.
We just need to drill it, or drill it back here. Once you drill it on the back side.
And the other side.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Drill it and come on out the back, and then we can feed these sprinkler heads here. Why don't you take this panel off? Lift this up. Watch your fingers, that's what I don't want to do.
I already smashed mine.
Oh, okay, I didn't think this went this far. Set that up there. That way you know exactly where to put them back later today.
Take this one out?
Yep, let's take a look and see. I thought you had another door here, but I don't see one.
It's right.
It's right here?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think you got another access panel here?
Yep.
Oh yeah, there it is, Root.
It's another one?
Phew! Yep. And that's not hooked together either. You see that water? When you lift this up, Rudy, besides smelling the stagnant water, look. So that's not hooked together.
The one that you open it first and sink a lot.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, the water's just been laying there a couple years, but it'll be all fresh now coming in.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we need to connect the tanks together, or just set two pumps in. Okay. How much water you got out of that tank? About half?
No,
Not yet.
not yet. There's a lot of water there.
Yeah, I think it's about 2,500 gallons a tank. So you're pumping probably 30 gallons a minute there. So it's going to take you a little over an hour. Yeah, about an hour each tank.
Each tank.
You're gonna get those holes drilled out there while it's pumping out, so we can get to drill the fields.
That's right. We're gonna get to DC. We got to drop off that drill next. What does you got to drill in DC?
2 curbs.
2 curbs.
2 holes, 2 curbs.
How much room you got here on this side to work?
Not much room for the drill. You see, like
Is this tank all the way over here? Is this part of that lid? Oh no, it's not either. So we might be able to get down under there. As far as this membrane here, is this hollow under here?
Yeah.
Well, how much though?
same.
Enough for us to crawl around.
How you know that?
So it's down there.
How'd you get down there?
Climb down.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, all right. No, that's what I was asking you earlier. When I pulled this up and saw this, so my mind was telling me that this was it. No, so that where's the concrete stop? You think approximately?
Like concrete step like
Yeah.
right here.
Well, that's what I'm getting at. Do you have enough room, for the drill?
Yeah.
And then what about over here then? I think you can be better off to set just 2 pumps, Rudy.
2 pumps.
Don't you think? Instead of tying the tanks together?
One, the other side and the other one is over here. Down this way.
Yeah. You can do that and then just use some concrete parge and arch it up. Yeah, fill it up around the pipe. You want it to be tight, so pipe won't be shaking around.
Yeah.
That'll just wear it out. So we should leave We should leave here in Annapolis and head to DC, drop off what Felix needs, right, and come back. Hey, who's in there? Snake. Oh, snake. It's you two. The sisters. Let's go down here and take a look at these new fixtures we put into this flagpole earlier in the week. Let's take a look. Really look good though. Last night, night before, you can see the American flag from the bridges on both sides. Homeowner had some solar lights out here because he had a wedding reception. He had that temporary, and we added 3 uplights of the night, and we're probably going to switch to something in ground, but right now we wanted to do a demonstration of some 7-watt, but I believe we're getting 5,700 Kelvins out of these, and about 6,000, so it's about 18,000 total here, and it's really working well. The flagpoles, it's up in the air. This flag is looking nice. It's always good to experiment, see how things work when you were trying to see how things are going to look from a distance, because this is not your typical flagpole in your typical residential yard. And fixtures we typically use for residential, we wouldn't give us enough illumination here for this flag. We wanted to make sure this is special, so you can see this from the Naval Academy and do this justice, because this is a beautiful home, great family, and we wanted to bring that flag out at night. So it's always good to experiment, have a little fun, at the same time bring a lot of joy to the homeowners, and we'll keep on. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, subscribe, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.